The boy playing happily at the playground.
Huh?
Baby, let's go home.
Okay.
Come.
The mother tells that it's time to go home. The boy was surprised at have a new
Your car.
Nice car.
Sitting
His
in the
brother
car.
get in the car and leaves. He was sad that he couldn't see his mom. He was began to cry in the room. When dad hears it was a boy crying.
What happened, baby?
The boy said, "My mom leaves because mom loved brother more than me." The dad go out and go to the car shop. After 2 hours later, dad finally buy a new
What
car.
happened?
Baby, your
The
new
boy go out
car.
and sees the car is awesome.
Wow, nice
He loves
car.
new car.
Thank you so much, Dad.
Sit.
Dad began to drive with the boy.